First, open Leonardo AI and sign in to your account. To edit an AI-generated image, start by selecting the image you want to modify. You can use an image that you created inside Leonardo AI or another supported image, depending on the editing features available in your current account. Open the image editing workspace and look through the available tools. Depending on the current Leonardo AI interface, you may find options for changing specific areas, removing unwanted elements, adding new details, expanding the image, or making other adjustments. Before editing, decide exactly what you want to change. For example, you might want to replace the background, change an object, adjust the overall appearance, or add something new to the scene. If the editing tool uses a text prompt, describe the change clearly. For example, instead of simply saying, "change the background," you could say, "replace the background with a modern city street during sunset while keeping the main subject unchanged." This gives the AI a clearer instruction. Now apply the edit and wait for Leonardo AI to generate the updated version. When the result appears, compare it with the original image. Check whether the requested change was applied correctly and whether important parts of the original image remained consistent. If the result isn't quite right, modify your instruction and try again. You can also make several smaller edits instead of trying to change everything at once. Once you're satisfied with the final image, use the available enhancement or upscaling tools if necessary. Finally, save or download the edited image using the available options.